So we're gonna walk to the dorms. Brand new, beautiful dorms. This is our primary school chapel. It's locked up for now, but you can see the campus. Wow. So in the end, this is the girls' dorm. It's the ladies' dorm. This is the men's boys' dorm. Solar on top. In this middle area, it's going to be like a hangout area. They're going to have a giant African canopy where there'll be tables and chairs, and we'll play games, eat meals outside. Right there. Looks like a concentration camp, but they really want these fences for protection. The parents who are going to send their children here for boarding school want to see that security. So there's our high school. Hello. How are you? What's your name?
My name is Namaganda Helen.
And what grade are you?
I'm fine.
You are in P what?
P1.
P1.
Yes.
Thank you for allowing me to see your home. Hello. How are you? This is our nurse lady. I'm going to take a video inside. Is that fine?